Welcome to Prenatal Yoga. My name is Jane Austin. Congratulations on your pregnancy. Now, whether this is your first babe or you're doing it all over again, you know that pregnancy brings with it all kinds of changes, both seen and unseen. As a mama, I get the rigors of motherhood and the importance of maintaining not only strength and endurance as you move through your pregnancy, but it's also equally important to find a sense of ease and a sense of relaxation. I have developed this practice with this in mind, balancing an active practice with an invitation to soften and open and create some space in your body and in your life for this baby. And remember, as you move through the practice, you want to make sure that you take care of yourself. The pregnancy hormones are softening all the connective tissue of the body, so you want to work just shy of your edge. If at any point you feel fatigued, dizzy, or tired, please take rest. In this practice, we will explore the balance of effort and surrender.